Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is cylinder. Today question number 1 is find the ratio between the total surface area of a cylinder to its curved surface area given that height and radius of the tank are 7.5 meter and 3.5 meter. So our target to find what is the ratio between surface area and total curved surface area and total surface area. So now see here, given data is radius is given 3.5 meter and height is given 7.5 meter. So now see here, curved surface area and total surface area ratio, right? Radius is given of cylinder 3.5 meter and height is given 7.5 meter. Radius is given 3.5 meter and height is given 7.5 meter. Our target to find what is the ratio between curved surface area and total surface area. So we have learned formula is of curved surface area is 2 pi RH ratio. Total surface area formula is 2 pi R into R plus H, right? So now see here, 2 pi means 22 by 7. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into radius. So radius is 3.5. So we can write as 35 by 10 because here is point, so we can remove if 10 is here, right? Into H. Height is 7.5, so it will be 75 by 10. Okay. Ratio total surface area 2 into 22 by 7 and radius is into 35 by 10. So radius is equal to 3.5 and height is equal to 7.5 and pi is equal to 22 by 7 into, we can write under root, under common. So radius is 35 by 10 plus 75 by 10. Radius plus height, right? So now see here, 7 5 ja 35 and 5 2 ja 10, right? And 2 to cancel. So 22 into 7.5. Okay. Ratio 7 5 ja 35 and 10 common, so it will be, now see here, 2 into 22, 5 to the 10 and 2 to cancel, so we can cancel it, into 110 by 10, right? So I think it will be 0 cancel, so 22 into 11, right? Now 1 minute. 22 into 7.5 will be 165 and it will be in meter square. Why? Because This is radius is given in meter and height also in given meter. So meter into meter will be meter square. And ratio 22 into 11 will be 242 meter square. So this is the answer of this question. 165 meter, and so this is curved surface area and this is total surface area. Curved surface area is 165 and total surface area is 242 meter square. So this is the answer of this question, and this is ratio between curved surface area and total surface area. So let's move to question number 2. Question number 2 is the curved surface area the curved surface area of cylinder is 1320 centimeter square and its base height diameter 21 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. So our target to find what is the height of cylinder. Curved surface area is given 1320 centimeter square and diameter is given 21 centimeter. So now see here, this is a cylinder. Okay, our target to find what is the height of this cylinder. Curved surface area is given 1320 centimeter square and base is given diameter is given 21 centimeter. So we now write curved surface area formula is 2 pi r h, right? Curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h, and 2 pi r h given is directly 1320 centimeter square. So 2 pi r h is equal to 1320 centimeter square. 1320 centimeter square. 2 and pi means 22 by 7. Radius is given not directly, but diameter is given 21 centimeter. So radius is just 2 times of diameter, right? So radius is just half of diameter. Radius is equal to half of diameter. So diameter by 2 equal to 21 by 2 centimeter. So into 21 by 2 centimeter. And height is not given. Height is our target to find what is height. So keep it h, right? And 1320 centimeter square. Now 7 3 ja 21 and 2 cancel, and it is 22 6 ja 132, right? So now is here 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter cancel, so it will be h is equal to 60 centimeter. So height is 60 centimeter. Height is 60 centimeter, right friends? Now see here once again, curved surface area is given directly 1320 centimeter square. Curved surface area formula is 2 into pi into r into h. So 2 into pi r h is equal to curved surface area is equal to 1320 centimeter square. So 2 and pi means 22 by 7, and radius is just 2 times of diameter, half of diameter. Radius is just half of diameter. So 21 by 2 centimeter n into h. H is missing, right? So our target to find what is the h of this cylinder. and is equal to 1320 centimeter square. So 7 3 is 21, 2 to cancel, and 22 6 is 132, 22 6 is 132 and 0 here, so it will be 0 here. So h is equal to 60 centimeter because 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter is cancel. Here are centimeter square, right? So 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter cancel, so h is equal to 60 centimeter. So height is of the cylinder is 60 centimeter. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks.